Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video we will discuss about Java database connectivity. So in this video we will show that how to connect your IntelliJ IDEA and Oracle database. So how to communicate with your Java application with Oracle database, I will explain in this video. So let's start my video. Now in the first step I will write here the simple Java program by which help of this program we will try to communicate with our Oracle database. So in the IntelliJ IDEA, if you want to write any Java program, so first we need to create a project. So I am a simple project created here and the simple class main and the main method also added here. I hope you are aware for this technology. So in the next step I have simple write JDBC program. So in the JDBC program first we need to register our driver. So I am use here Class.forName method to register our driver. So I am write here Class.forName. Using this I am trying to register our driver. So in the Class.forName passes our database URL. So the Oracle driver URL is oracle.jdbc.driver. Okay, driver.OracleDriver. Okay, then simply write here semicolon. Now this is the our checked exception, so we need to handle this exception. I am handle this exception using try or catch. So simply write here try and catch block. So in the catch block we will handle the our class not found exception. So write here class not found exception. Okay, then e dot print stack tree. So there is no any error happens. And the next step I am write the connection class object and trying to connect our database. So here first we create a connection class object. So write here connection con. Okay, connection con equal to null. So I am use here connection class. So we need to import this class. So in the first of our program I am import this class. This connection class is present into the java.sql package. Okay, so I am write here java.sql connection. Okay, now the error will be gone. Now the next step is we need to use driver manager class. So again we import java.sql because driver manager class is also available in the SQL package, java.sql package. So here I am write java.sql.driver manager. Okay, import this, and the next step I am simply write here con equal to DriverManager.getConnection. In the get connection method we are passes the our database URL and database username and our database password. So if you install Oracle database and you need to set your Oracle database username and password, I hope you are remember your Oracle database password and username. So first we need to pass our database URL. So the Oracle database URL is jdbc colon oracle colon thin oracle jdbc colon oracle colon thin at the rate localhost thin. Okay guys, jdbc colon oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost. After that we need to write here the Oracle port number. So by default Oracle port number is 1521. Okay, and the next thing is passes our services name. By default your services name is XC, otherwise ORCL. In the my system my services name is XC, so I am passes here XC. So our database URL is completed. Now the next thing is I am passes our password and username. So the first thing I am passes my username and the second thing is I am passed my password. So the whole things are passes in the form of string, so I am write here system. By default username is system, but if you are change your username in Oracle, then write your own username. And the last thing is write your password. Okay, so I am writing our password and then semicolon to in this line. But here you could see that the compilation error will be generated because this is also a checked exception, like the class.forName. I am handle this exception, but in the get connection method it is raised the checked exception, but I am not handle. So in the there is two way to handle, either as another catch block, otherwise simply writing in the same catch block. So I am write here the another catch block, catch. This is exception throws is SQL exception. Okay, so SQL exception, then simply print the e dot print stack trace. Okay, now the error will be gone. Okay, so the next thing is our connection will be successful. So I am writing here the simple condition, if connection con equal to not equal to null, because I am in the first step I am placed the con equal to null. If still this process is completed and con equal to null, it means our database is not connected with our IntelliJ IDEA. So I am simple check here, if con equal to not null, then system dot out dot print successful. Okay, and if the connection is equal to null, it means else condition is executed. So in the else condition simply type, in the else condition simply type system dot out dot print error. Okay, so the my program is completed. So if you run this program you will get the exception. So I simply click on the run button, and here you could see that the exception will be occur because I am writing our driver name and the whole program is correct, no any error in this program, but I am not add our driver into the our IntelliJ IDEA. So the next thing is to, it is necessary to add our driver into the IntelliJ IDEA. So how to add this driver into the IntelliJ IDEA? We will discuss about. First we need to find our driver which is suitable for Oracle driver database. Now when you install Oracle database, by default your driver will be installed in this folder. So open your Oracle database folder. In my case I am install my Oracle database in the C folder drive, and the C drive I am create a Oracle folder, and here I am install our Oracle database. Open your folder where you install Oracle database, and in the Oracle database you need to search JDBC and open JDBC folder. In the JDBC folder you could see that the lib folder, and open again lib folder. In the lib folder by default your executable jar file will be available. This is the our Oracle driver which we use to communicate with our Java application and Oracle database. So this is the our Oracle database driver. So in the our IntelliJ IDEA we need to add this file. For adding this file we need to click on the setting icon, and here we need to click on the project structure. After that we could see that here the project modules library, these are the menus available. So we need to select modules, then we need to select on the dependency. Okay, here some menu source, path and dependency. So click on the dependency. The dependency you could see that the by default your JDK version will be visible here. So simply click on the first plus button and click on the jar. Okay, so I am select here this jar file. So this jar file will be available in my C drive, in the C drive Oracle folder, and the Oracle folder DB home, and here JDBC folder. So finding JDBC folder and open this. So here you could see that the odbc 8.jar file will be available. Select this and click on the OK button, then click on the apply button. OK, so our jar file will be available. Once again I am running this program, and you could see that though no any exception will be occur and my output will be visible. So simply click on the run button. Okay guys, you could see that my program is running and there is no any error will be occur and no any exception will be occur, and my output will be visual as successful. It means my connection is successfully and I am able to connect my Java application with our Oracle database. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you guys.